Well, this is great. On our way out west to Quartzsite, but this storm dumps, and man, I wish I would have gotten here a little sooner, but man, what a great time. Look at this thing. Stunning. Just dumping on the mountains, just isolated. Some weird structure on the left there. It's almost, I feel like it looked like it was moving left to right. It's probably in my imagination, but could be some shear at play today. It looks like, you know, rain-free base raining off to the right, so just wish there was some lightning too, but this is a great picture. Wow. Incredible colors in this, wow. Whoa. East of Quartzsite. Holy crap. Wow, this is unreal. This dust, this. Whew. Look at that. Woo's what I live for, baby! Blowing dust, lightning, little weak portion of a boob. Yes! Oh, look at this. Whoa. Great if they start dropping CGs right here, but it's just flashing, that's all it's doing. Wow. Major dust problems, spot problems. I can't believe it. Amazing, just amazing. Wow. Well, I wasn't going to do a vlog today, but you know, here I am on an epic storm, and so I got some videos, so I might throw something together because it's real pretty. Look at this dust coming by. Big wall of dust over there. This is astounding looking. Yes! I live for! Flashing like crazy. Great storm. Please drop a couple clear bolts, please. That'd be great. The storm is nuts. Non-stop flashing. Strikes this out. Wow, what a storm. I don't know if the phone will see it, but what's crazy is right now, with the lightning flashing, I'm literally seeing purple with my eyes, and a lot of people wonder, are you making up the purple and the lightning? And here, I mean, the camera may not look like it, but with my eyes, I'm seeing purple, which is pretty crazy. This is a great active storm, sadly. Haven't seen any lightning strikes hit the ground, but it's pretty good.